Hello everyone, this is me Vijayalakshmi here. Hope all are doing good. Let me tell you a quick story now. Ramu, who often gets anger for any problems that he is facing in his life, and in return he shows that anger to his wife and kids. So he want to get a solution for this. Next day he visited his Guruji to get some solution. He told Guruji, Swamiji, please help me. Please give me some solution for my to control my anger, to get a solution. Please give me some idea, please. So finally, Swamiji said, okay, I'll give an idea. Just follow this for 3 months, and third month you have to come and visit me again. Ramu was very happy that he's going to get some good advice. And Swamiji said, whenever you're getting angry, I know you write good poems. Please sit and write a poem and send it to me. Ramu was surprised. Swamiji, why should I sit and write a poem, Swamiji, and I have to send it to you also? Yes, Ramu, you have to follow this for 3 months, and third month, please come and visit me. So he believes Swamiji so much. From next day, whenever he gets problem, he'll get anger, and immediately he sits and write the poem and send it to Swamiji. This was happening for 3 continuous months, and third month final date came. Ramu visited Swamiji again and got his blessings, and the conversation goes again here. Swamiji asked, how are you, Ramu? Ramu said, Swamiji, I am happy now. There is peace in the family now. Whenever I'm getting angry, I'm not shouting at them. I'm sitting and writing the poem and sending it to you. But there is problems and I'm getting angry, Swamiji. I don't know. I can't control the anger. So Swamiji now, to his surprise, he gave one bag full of money and in another hand a book to him. He was again surprised and asked Swamiji, what is this, Swamiji? Swamiji replied back, this is your award and this is your reward. The award is that it's your book. You made this book. That is all your poems I published as a book and I sold these books, and that is the reward, that bag full of money. He was like so surprised and happy. Yes, this is the moral of the story. When we are getting angry, how to control the anger is show your positive side. Don't shout on people's or don't show negative emotion. Instead, convert the anger into positive thoughts where you can create something. When you're worrying about problems sitting somewhere and you're not creating anything, then there will be anger in your life and failures in your life. Now his poems gave his next path of success, where the problem comes when we are not earning properly or when we don't have see success. Now his anger turned into success. It gave you award and reward. Just think, now this is a lockdown, so I can sit and cry, oh, my business is gone, my boutique is gone, and all such things. But I reverse this moment into a positive mode and then converted to a positive thoughts where I created this Kuti story session. So now I had done my 28th story and I'm very happy to share this also. There may be many criticisms, there may be many false reports on you, but please don't get angry for that. Show your emotion in a positive note. Many get anger and they go into different paths. One anger can convert into a positive note and can be a negative note. Many hang on to death and many hang on to success. Choose your path clearly and decide where are you. Thank you so much for liking and subscribing and supporting me. Do please share with all your friends. Thank you once again.